जैसे कि आपने ट्रेलर में देखा, Barrot House is the story of this family who is a happy family, but then what goes through in their lives after a tragedy happens, and जो complexities थी characters ने वो कैसे बाहर निकलती हैं. Like so, I don't want to say too much. I think people should watch it. You want to add something?
I think the easiest thing when somebody asks you a question, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलना चाहता हूँ, नहीं तो कहानी बाहर निकल जाएगी. जैसे कि आप लोगों ने ट्रेलर देखा, it's a psychological thriller about a family which is going through, they're surviving together, which I think every family does. And then they are put into some situations, unpleasant circumstances, and how they cope up individually, and how that affects their family, and the whole environment is primarily the film. It's also about the interrelationship between the man and the wife, his children, the son. And it's just that when you talk too much about it or about a character, we might just slip the story, which then the thrill aspect will miss. But if you talk about my character, it's about this man who is, I think the heroicness in him is that he's maybe not the best at everything, but his instinct to keep his family safe, his desire to be the kind of the head of the house or the provider of the house, and putting the family first before his individual personal desires makes him a hero. And how he reacts to life and things that happen is something you will see.
ओके, क्या रिएक्शन था आप दोनों को जब इस कहानी के बारे में आपको मालूम पड़ा कि बरोट हाउस की कहानी, क्योंकि काफ़ी एक अलग सी कहानी है, मतलब पहले बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब हैप्पी को लगी जा रही है, फिर उसके बाद में काफ़ी कुछ अलग देखने को मिल रहा है जिस तरीके से ट्रेलर में देखा. बताइए कुछ इस बारे में.
पहली बात तो दिस फिल्म इज़ इंस्पायर्ड बाय ट्रू इवेंट्स, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा एक्साइट किया था फिल्म के बारे में. Unfortunately, I would say it's true. It's actually happened somewhere in India, and but it was a very intense story. So as actors, it was very challenging to perform this. And the moment I met Bugs, the director of our film, I was like, oh wow, this is a director I want to work with, and what a lovely choice of project to be to make. So I mean, I'm very excited to be a part of this project.
Same, I think. For me, when when you're watching a movie, whenever I watch a film or any story, and when it says it's true story, I'm like already in it. I have this crazy fascination about something that has occurred, and when you put that on the film, I just find it very intriguing. So that was a huge and when I found that something like this or this incident has happened to a family, I was like, wow. At the same time, when I was offered, or when I kind of came into the picture, I was scared. Also, like I knew it's going to be a lot of hard work. I was also like, am I ready for it right now? And I was scared to be able to pull off something like this. But like as Manjari said, we were in great hands. Bugs is just an amazing, incredible human being, and so was everyone on the set, the cast, the crew. And it was just 1 month of torture together, but just because everyone was so close and just nice to each other, and we were trying to create a piece of art and push ourselves, it was a fulfilling experience.
ओके, कैरेक्टर की अगर बात करिए तो कैरेक्टर को पकड़ना कितना मुश्किल था, कितना चैलेंजिंग था इस किरदार को प्ले करना?
आई थिंक कोई भी कैरेक्टर को पकड़ना, समझना, निभाना बहुत मुश्किल है, बट लोग जो होते हैं आपके आसपास, आपके राइटर, आपके डायरेक्टर, आपके को एक्टर हेल्प करते हैं आपको उसको सींचने में, उसको एक रियल फॉर्म में प्रोजेक्ट करने की. एंड इस फिल्म में आई थिंक जितने भी एक्टर हैं, जो बच्चे हैं, मंजरी और भी एक्टर हैं जो आप अभी पोस्टर में नहीं देख रहे, सब ने इतना अच्छा काम किया है, इतनी सच्चाई से अपने कैरेक्टर्स को निभाया कि आई थिंक इट वाज एन एक्स्ट्रा एडेड टूल for me to be a better Amit Barrot, to be a more real Amit Barrot. And of course, as an individual, as an actor, you have to dig. There's no other way. You have to dig more and more and more. I like something what Marlon Brando says. He's my favorite actor. He says, you dig more and dig some more and more. Ask more questions to a point where your director is fed up of you. Research more, do more, and have the courage as an actor to do more than being the lazy actor who, under the pretext of that I'm doing real acting, and do nothing. And when the audience sees an actor do nothing, they cannot be anything more bad, or they can be anything not more useless than audience seeing you do nothing. And be the courageous actor who, when you do more, you also live with the risk of done too much. Rather live with the risk of done too much than do nothing.
ओके काफ़ी शेड है आपके कैरेक्टर की अगर बात करिए तो कहीं ना कहीं आप डिस्टर्ब हुए कुछ उस कैरेक्टर को?
मैं इंसान ही डिस्टर्ब हूँ, तो मैं पिक्चर से डिस्टर्ब होता ही नहीं हूँ. मैं सच बोल रहा हूँ.
ओके मुझे आपके लिए कितना चैलेंजिंग था इसका?
I want to add to like when you
Yeah,
asked
yeah.
him.
I'm sorry I'm in an interview, but I love you. डिस्टर्ब मत करो, चलो. हाँ.
When you asked him like आप कभी have you been in the zone? I remember when I was we were staying in the same villa, all of us, and I just heard the door open and he came. I mean, like I heard that he's come in, so just opened the door to check, and I just saw him sitting at the dining table and just looking completely broken. That I just saw him and I was like, is he okay? And he had just come back after doing a really, really intense scene. So that's how involved he gets.
ओके आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था मंजरी के साथ में काम करने का?
साथ बैठे हैं इतने प्यार से, इज्जत से, इससे समझ में नहीं आ रहा आपको कुछ चीज़ें पूछो मत, कुछ चीज़ों को महसूस करो. Great. I mean, she's my favorite. I love her. She's a great human being, great actor. I've said so many times since morning, so I feel repetitive, but it's also a part of a job to kind of make each interview come alive because it's going to different people. The best thing, other than everybody knows, she's done some great work. She's a very good actor. She also does theatre. She's very, very multifaceted and talented. But to be honest, for me, that doesn't touch me. Like if you're great at your job, to be honest, for me, it's okay. I mean, you are
You're
supposed to be.
be.
I mean, you're being paid for it. It was your decision. But I think what I like about Manjari the most, that even after doing so much work, she's so humble and she's so transparent and बनावटीपन नहीं है इनमें. And मुझे उनकी quality बहुत अच्छी लगती है.
ओके यू आर प्लेइंग अ फादर इन द फिल्म. मतलब कितना डिफिकल्ट था आपके लिए? कोई रेफरेंस लिया आपने?
या रेफरेंस तो आप अलग नहीं ले सकते. यू हैव टू टेक योर रेफरेंस इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट टू द फिल्म. सो द रेफरेंस इज हाउ दिस कैरेक्टर इज सपोज टू बी थ्रू द स्टोरी एंड द नैरेटिव एंड हाउ यू ऑल्सो फील दैट अगर ये इंसान इस तरह की परिस्थितियों में फंस जाएगा तो वो किस तरह. बट ऑल्सो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डिटर्मिन योर बिहेवियर, द डायरेक्टर, हाउ what's his vision for this character, and then the interplay with other characters. So you can't come with a prefixed notion. That's what I love about acting, is just that you come empty and you come lost, and through the lines and the script, the set, the other actors, you kind of try to become, by picking all this.
ओके इसी के साथ मेरे को बच्चों के साथ में जब शूट करने की बात आती है तो मतलब डिफिकल्ट होता है, चैलेंजिंग होता है?
आई थिंक बच्चों के साथ काम करना, बच्चों के साथ कुछ भी करना सबसे ईजी होता है बिकॉज वो ऑनेस्ट होते हैं and is what you see is what you get, and they don't have any ulterior motives. And if on our film, all our kids are like they're real life superstars and talented actors.
ओके मंजरी आपको कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था 4 बच्चों के साथ में काम करने का?
Like with all the emotions that were like riding so high on the set, I think the children were the balancing factor. It was really lovely and delightful to have them on set and watch them actually bring alive a character, and so naturally with just small little instructions.
पूरा फ्लोर गंदा हो गया. हाँ सॉरी, मुझे OCD है. हम लोग खाते सब वहीं फेंक देते हैं. क्या है ये? हाँ सॉरी.
So that's what, it was really nice to have them on the set.
ओके इसी के साथ में आप दोनों ने फिल्मों में भी काम किया है, डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पे भी. आप मतलब जिसने
यार ये सवाल के जवाब 5 बार दे चुके हैं, किसी से पिक कर लेना यार. ये सवाल का कोई जवाब नहीं है, ऑनेस्टली बताओ. ये सवाल कोई जवाब नहीं है.
कितना मतलब अलग एक्सपीरियंस
जितना आपको समझ में, कोई अलग नहीं है. आप एक बात बताइए, आप जब पिक्चर के लिए मेरे को इंटरव्यू लेते हैं या मैडम का इंटरव्यू लेते हैं, कुछ अलग एक्सपीरियंस होता है? नहीं ना. तो कोई एक्सपीरियंस है ही नहीं अलग. है सेम काम है, प्रोसेस है, अलग अलग प्लेटफॉर्म है, एक्टिंग सेम है. एक कहानी है, एक जगह आपको संक्षेप में बतानी पड़ती है क्योंकि 2 घंटे का पैटर्न है, क्योंकि एक दिन में कुछ एक्स अमाउंट ऑफ पिक्चर स्क्रीनिंग करनी पड़ती है, पॉपकॉर्न और ब्रेक को जहन में रखते हुए. यहाँ ऐसा नहीं है. यहाँ पे आप विस्तार में, डिटेल में कर सकते. अब इस जवाब से किसका क्या फ़ायदा हुआ, किसको क्या समझ में आया,
लास्टली क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर आपके फैंस?
लास्टली यही है.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मैडम.
प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू Z5 Premium बिकॉज हमारी फिल्म 7th अगस्त को आ रही है. प्लीज़ वॉच बारोड हाउस.
Yes, we worked very hard on this film, and please take out time and please watch a film. Thank you very much. God bless you.
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.